Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2013 Harley Davidson CVO Ultra Classic. This bike is just in beautiful condition, got excellent miles on it. I believe those are called agitator rims. Very nice, chrome front end. Got you a brand new tire up front. That's a Michelin Commander tire. It's excellent tires. All the paint on this bike really looks nice. Whoever had it took exceptional care of it. The LED turn signals here. Fairing looks real nice, all the paint on it. It's got a custom windshield trim mold there with a Clockworks windshield. Painted inner fairing, chrome levers, switch housings, hydraulic clutch, full onboard electronics. CVO badge here on the lid, the fuel lid, AM/FM CD player, CB radio, electronic cruise control, padded dash, got your Garmin set up right here, set of highway pegs, just beautiful. Bags look real nice. It's had the Vance & Hines X-pipe exhaust added to it. That's a really good upgrade, a performance upgrade, and it sounds real nice. And it's got the Vance & Hines mufflers on it as well. Chrome luggage rack. Beautiful condition. Screaming Eagle 110 motor with 6-speed transmission. It's got the upgraded hog-tuned speakers down here in the lower leg fairings. The bike has only got 7,093 miles. It's got anti-lock brakes. We'll fire it off and let you give it a listen right quick. Lots of good rubber left on that rear tire. Got LED lights back here. Rider backrest. She sounds nice. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about this bike. It qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. You can see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We ran it through the shop and checked it out, so it's ready to ride. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.